Hi, I'm Will from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our new OS and NS rear Milwaukee racking. So the tools you need for the job are a PZ2 bit, you need a mallet, a 6mm Allen key. Okay, so now we're going to assemble our toolbox shelf. 3 parts, very simple. Recessed holes facing in, gentle knock onto the tenons. Again, 4 of the 30mm screws in the pre-tooled holes. Okay. So that's our toolbox shelf assembled and ready to fit to the racking. Okay, so we're going to start with the shelves first. We've got 3 shelves. We take the base with the rough side up and the front with the rough side out. These them together, and then your rear, rough side in. These them together. Do the same for the other 2. The bottom one's slightly different, but I'm going to show you why. The bottom only has 2 parts for now. So the rough side up, rear, rough side in. Then we're going to screw them together. In the fitting kit you'll have some yellow 30mm PZ2 screws. So you want to be putting 1 either side of the tenon in front. In the rear, 1 either side of the tenon again. Process is the same for the other 3. So next, after our shelf assembly, we're going to take our right hand side end panel, which has our Vanimal on it. We're going to pop that on the floor. And the top one, the top shelf, in first. I always find locking the back tenon in first, the back panel of the shelf aids in putting together. Just like tapping that. Top one, we'll take our middle, same, back tenon in first, and then back to what was on about with the bottom shelf, 2 pieces, slot them in. So once we put our shelves onto our right hand side panel, we're going to take our middle panel, fit them to there. Again, back tenon in first, and just work it from right to left. Just line the shelf up each time. Everything's flush, then we're going to take our PZ2 bits again and put 1 into each side of the tenon. so we're going to repeat the step the other side, just flip it over. Okay, so next, once you've done the right hand section, you're going to take your front panel, ensuring that the rough face is facing out towards your van. And that's going to end up there, so this on its back. Just locate it. I just find buying that tenon in first, that middle one at the bottom. All follow the leads too. And then we're going to screw that panel into the assembly. Okay, so next, once you've fixed the front panel onto the right hand side section, we're going to take our left panel, locate that on the tenons. Again, PZ2 bits, screw that up. Okay, so next we're going to install our toolbox shelves. We've got two standard in a kit. A few different choices of holes on the end panels, different heights. That's it, it's just preference. But I'm going to put that on the lower one for now. Just locate the holes. Simply screw in.